My PC is slow today. So I should maybe restart the... Oof. I should have restarted my computer. I should have restarted my computer. I should have done that. Right now, you're gonna see a bad camera. It's okay. It's very slow. I might have to do it, guys. It's very slow. Very delayed. Hey, Justin Wright, what's up? I'm thinking about closing the live stream, restarting my computer, and back because it's very slow. It's everything delayed. Not sure. I'm looking at what can I do here. I can see that my computer is not pushing right now. Why is it not pushing? These Windows, that's why I hate Windows. Windows, you need to restart them every thought because they become shit as hell. Why is energy saver? No, I don't want energy saver. Not sure. Let me come back. Restart your restart the computer. I'm gonna come back. 1 second. Can you see me? Stop. Yeah, can you see me right now, guys? I should be back live. Not sure at all, to be honest. The moment I clicked, it restarted. So I believe it's working right now. Hello, Boswell. Hello, Justin Wright. Justin Wright. Oh, Justin Wright. Yes, we can see you. Perfect. How are you guys? And Thanksgiving, not that much, but I was like, let's connect. I think we're gonna spend at least 1 hour together having some fun. Yesterday I had the initial good reading of going long, and then I messed up because yesterday I was like, we were working around this area, and I thought to myself, we didn't grab any previous day's highs. We might grab it. We come back. Then I looked as well for a short. I don't know why I looked for a short. It was good for a short in that moment, but no, sorry, we were here, and this previous highs was here. So we came out for a short. I got stopped out again. It's okay. So for the moment, previous day's highs are here, not taken. If these things wants to push some points today, it's definitely only longs. I'm not gonna even think about shorts today. Even if I wanna take a trade today, it has to be on the long side. Not even thinking about taking any short. Literally be just because it's true that we have a resistance. We had a strong push. We have the previous day's highs there. The shitty area to be honest, to be on Thanksgiving there. So we're gonna be super careful. Probably almost no trades or whatever. We're gonna have fun and look in this market. Already this hour. Oh my god, this hour is grabbing some nice levels here already on pre-market. So look at this choppiness from here from yesterday. So it's good chance we don't have anything during this trading session. Look at that. Crazy. Good chance we won't have any trade, but we are here. Hello, let me write it down as a note. What's up? We're here back, guys. Just for a fun session. Fun session time. I hope you are having a good day. If you're from USA, happy Thanksgiving. If you're not from USA, happy boring day in the market. Not much to do, but we're here together to look into it. Let's have some fun. Let's trade. Let's speak about trading. So yeah, fun fact. Last week I had 5 consecutive green trades, and this week I have 3 consecutive losing trades. That's crazy how everything can evolve. Let me improve a little bit the camera here. Okay. Fun fact is that we had 5 consecutive green trades and green days, and this week we have 3 consecutive losing trades. So crazy situation. how the market can humble you anytime. That's why always, oh, Nina. Hello, Nina from Brazil. Didn't go. Yeah, Nina, what's up, Nina? Yeah, yesterday. Look, if I go back to yesterday. Let me see what I've done yesterday. Yesterday, I started with the first, because we started the market open. This was the first candle of the market open. I believe this one here. So we pushed above, we grabbed these lows, and we closed again above the levels. And I was like, okay, this is a good long. If I was really on a safe side, this long was already a one-to-one risk reward, risking these lows and take profit here was already even more than one-to-one. We're already at 1.2, 1.3 risk reward there, taking the previous day's highs. That was already a quick trade and done. But I was looking for the previous day's high. You see this level here. That was what I was looking for. We came lower. We didn't, and we were holding below the level. And I was like, okay, we didn't grab these lows. We created another low. So in my mind, I was like, let's wait for some short people entering quick for the low to be stopped out, and then look for short. It came out to be my entries here. Again, here we got even almost take profit. So my profit was here. And it come almost grab these lows here and then turn to the upside. And here after this, long possibility might have come, previous day's highs. The target I had initially was right, not the read after, not the execution afterwards. It is what it is, because looking at it after, the fact is that we bounced, we grabbed these lows, and we start to hold. And especially this is a big level that grabbed previous lows as well. And previous day's highs was the easiest target yesterday. Came out to be, unfortunately, the best trade for me could have been here. First push, stopped out, second push, closing above, stop loss. Target could have been here or previous day's highs. But it is what it is, you know. We learn, we keep going. And today, to be honest, not much to do than just see what want the market to do. To be honest, we have a huge flag coming here. You can look at this choppiness. Look at this choppiness. Choppiness to the next level here, guys. You have a huge flag forming there. Yeah. Good morning, Bogdan. Fayad's ready. Good morning, guys. One team. We're all here today, and this is, I guess, all you not US people. Yeah, US people are not here, guys. I want to tell you a story. I want to tell you a story. The story of my brother. The story of my brother. How many times, guys, I repeat you? Tell me if I don't say it often in this channel. How many times I tell you? The moment you reach payout, take the money out. How many times I tell you? How many times I said this to Tomato? How many times I said to everyone? Guys, you're not profitable, consistent traders to tell me you want to grow the cushion to take more money. You have not that skill. Just look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am not that profitable trader yet, so if I can get some money out, I will pay myself, and next time I will have a bit more calm because I have some money in my bank account. I can trade more relaxed. How many times I say this is super important because most of us here are unprofitable. So if you don't count that moment of taking some money out, you're greedy as hell. So what happens to my brother? Yes, he told me, he was like, I reached payout and I could withdraw $1,000 and I blew up the account. He could have requested payout. I was saying when we have put in breaking news today, it was a good position, but it came to loss again. Putin breaking news. What was the Putin breaking news? Today it's very hard, to be honest. If you skip today as a trading day, you do good. I look at the mirror and say, I'm the best trader. Yeah, we're not here to. Yeah, for me, we're not here to get. Oh my God! She spoke today. Okay, I didn't know that. Let me see the Discord. The Discord usually we have the news section in Discord. Let me see. Newsfeed. Let's see. Putin, we may discuss with US officials arms control issue. Putin is not huge about the Putin knows something with the Ukrainian leadership. I see that Crimea and Donbass should be topic of our talks with the US. Okay. War talks there. Oh, look at this. We have this gun, we have this one, create a double top. This one could have been a quick short, guys. I just noticed it now. But I said to myself, only longs. That's why I'm not taking it. Just because we grabbed these previous highs, we're closing lower, and we create a double bottom here, and we have still have this bottom that we're not taking out, but easy to say afterwards. He blew the count. He blew the count. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade, man. We're gonna just enjoy the live stream. He blew the count. He had $1,200 to withdraw, and he's not profitable. When you're not profitable, guys, it's a reality. How many times, guys? Tell me how many times it happened to you that you have your trading career, you have a good period of time, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then you think you have made it. How many times you came to a moment you're like, I'm finally the trader I am, and then the market next week teach you a lesson, and you're like, oh, well, I think you still have some work to do. I mean, for me, it happened multiple times. So if I can get the payout after 3 weeks of good trading, let me get myself out. You're Moroccan? Yes, born in Morocco, in Paraguay right now. In Paraguay. Never? Never. Yeah, so we know that joke is a never. Many times, too many times. How many times? I swear to you, how many times from in my head I was like, oh, now I understood trading. In 4 months, I'm gonna have 100K in my bank account. Yeah. You have such a dream in your head, thinking you've made it, and then market comes and it's like, bam, getting you, and it's like, wow, okay, not the one I was looking for, not my dream getting crashed. So really, if you get to payout level, you have reached your minimum trading days, you have reached your consistency and everything, take some money out. And I'm not telling you take everything out. Take some money out. Something, take it out, please. Take it out. Yeah, 100K does not change life at the end. I mean, depending where you live, but 100K is still not that big numbers right now. With this society and life, Bali life will initiate. Oh my God, guys! I swear to you, that is my goal in this channel. We're gonna do retreats. Hopefully next year. You know, I'm gonna work on this next year, guys. I'm gonna work to make a retreat next year. Chase night trades. Yes, I look at the daily and 1 hour chart for direction, and 3 minutes on execution, because I trade only 1 hour during a New York session. Better unhappy with yeah, I saw that. I can be unhappy with the 100K in my bank account and live in Bali. I can surf crying. The water will clear my tears. This could have been a nice quick one, because lows here have not been taken. But let's see if we start to grab some lows here. If we start to grab some important lows and coming back above, this can be a quick long. This is like a possible short, but the long, I will be something like this. I will be after we grab some lows, and you can aim for a little bit more push. Quant please, Quant, be nice with me. Something like that. If it comes back right now, start to close above, I would be happy to take a long for a quick small size, just to have a position, like risking $50 maybe. We risk like 1 contract. Oh my God, $15 1 contract. Okay, we risk like 3-4 contracts, and we aim to make maybe $200. Let's see. We can have that one. Yeah, he has a. Aaron has a meeting retreat. I'm gonna do one meeting retreat as well. It just I'm not gonna teach you trading because I'm not a teacher of trading. I'm more a psychology guy. I can help you a little bit mentally. I can punch you if you do some mistake. We will have a risk settings in this way. A daily loss limit. If you break the daily loss limit, you get punched by me. That's my psychological way of helping you. How does it work? Does your brother trade? I really don't know, Bogdan. To be honest, I really don't know. My brother, I told him once a mechanical strategy. After 1 month, because we had a period where that my mechanical strategy 50 minutes was not working, he came to me. He was trading for like 2 months. He was like, Amsa, I have my strategy. And I was like, what do you mean you have your strategy? You just start trading. What do you mean? Yes, I saw this repeats. I was like, what do you mean you saw this repeats? That's the crazy things of trading, right? I swear to you, when he told me, I was like, what the fuck do you mean? This can be, I look at this, 3 minutes closure, grab these lows, chopping out, but I would have loved these lows to be taken. But even just right now here, Red is laughing because he trades with my brother. No, he's not profitable. That's the point. If he's profitable, if he's like profitable and you're like, you reach payout and you're like, I don't care about $1,000, I'm gonna grow my cushion a bit bigger because I'm profitable, I can push it, I'm fine with it. I cannot speak about you're a profitable trader and give you advices on how to build cushion. But if you're not profitable yet and you're not taking out payouts, I'm gonna punch you. Yeah, liquidity, nothing's happening. Everyone is watching. Yeah, everyone is just, for the moment, just watching, yeah. And let's admit, like 95% of us here are unprofitable. I don't count myself a profitable. I mean, I am green over my expense. Do I count myself profitable? No, I count myself as a break-even trader. I'm a break-even trader. I don't lose, I don't make money. I'm here cruising, and hopefully it's at least it's a good stage to be. Better than in a losing stage, right? I would say that's a win. Guys, welcome to everyone, guys. If you're new in these channels, we live stream every freaking day at 9:30 without hiding anything. These accounts are there for hundreds of days. I did not blow them up yet, but they might blow up soon because of my trading of the last period. But they've been there for hundreds of days. I don't blow up. I don't push you to YOLO. I mean, Bogdan might YOLO his evaluation. But we follow consistency and psychology here. The rest is bullshit. And yeah, if you're thinking to trade with Apex, 80% is right now. My code is Hamza. That's my name. That's my name, Hamza. You support the channels. That's small channels. Today we are quite many people because I believe no one is live streaming apart me that I'm here, or maybe some other 2 people. I don't have a social life. I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have anyone. I'm in Paraguay alone. That's why I'm here live streaming. Who's there from Bogdan? No, Mohammed. I'm looking in the chat. Who is from USA? I don't think there is anyone from USA today. Everyone is really in holiday. Sunrise Estates. I don't remember where you're from, but I don't think anyone else is from the States. Here we came to these lows. Is it gonna be enough to go higher? Very choppy. Have you had a girlfriend? Yes, I had. Oh, why you have to give me these past memories, Fayat? My previous relationship. Omar might laugh. He's still watching. Omar, knows everything about my past stories. Freaking hell. What are we gonna do today? We're just watching the market. I'm just wanting to see maybe this come a bit lower, closing above, maybe grab something more. That would be nice. If I want to take a trade today, I have to be 100%. And why not anymore? She said she wants someone profitable. Yes, she was like, she checked online. She was like, an average for a profitable trader is 4 or 5 years, plus happens to 2% of the people. Better don't risk it. You're in DAX trade from this morning. What are you, long or short? I guess long, right? Man, not profitable trader. Long, that makes sense. You're long then. It's the market seems still bullish. How is the crypto? I mean, the crypto guys is who's in crypto? I have crypto. I'm down a few $1,000s. Bitcoin is back at 90,000. That's crazy, to be honest. Honestly, I was looking at another dip. So I'm not complaining because I'm in crypto long term. I'm not trading them, but that's funny to see it. You haven't bought. It means you have them, or you don't hold anything, Bogdan. Like, do you own it? Ah, okay, yes. Same for me. I have like, I lost a few thousand, but I don't have much. I just hold and leave it there. Maybe I come back in 5 years and I see them at 100K by luck, and I'm like, yes, let's go. Yes, yeah, I have a little bit more. That's it. And I'm like, okay, if I lose them, it does not change my life. But if they do something, it might change a little bit my life. You know, it might pay for some things. But if I lose them and they go to zero in the worst case scenario, they go to zero, worst case scenario, peace and love. Huh? I'm here working full time anyway. Guys, subscribe to the channel, guys. 28 people, 6 likes, guys. Come on, leave a like there. We are back tomorrow live streaming with the right volatility and taking trades. I'm looking to take a trade as well if it comes back lower. But right now, you see how this thing is not moving? Even if you go to the 1 second chart, I think this shit is not moving. 1 second chart. This is the 1 second chart. We can trade the 1 second chart. Look, we have a triple bottom here, not grabbed. Look at this, perfect triple bottom, not grabbed. We grab something here. Let's take a short. Yeah, take a short. Take a short. Profit target, the triple bottom. Yeah, low volume, it's Thanksgiving. How do you copy trade between 20 accounts? I use Quantower. Quantower allows me to copy trade. We lost trade. The 1 second chart give us a losing trade. I think there will be too much, but if you sum, but yeah, I don't have a really shitty coin, so I'm fine with it. Look at this 1 second chart. So welcome new ones, guys. Leave a like, subscribe. We live stream every day. I will go long on my CVD if it comes a bit lower. And that's what I'm looking as well, Bogdan. Do you like top step? I don't use them, to be honest. So guys, I use only Apex. Most of you might know, but I work as well for Apex in the IT side. So if you see sometimes in Discord post of Hamza, that's me. Many people don't know, but I'm the one posting Discord. Yeah, so I know top step. I know the rules. I know everything because I like to know other platforms. I know they're having a lot of problems with Project X. I know that Project X is gonna be only unique to top step, and it's so funny because all the other platforms that I've been using Project X, they got kind of CK. So that means they cannot use any more Project X. And Tradify, I noticed that they have to immigrate all the people using Project X to Tradovate. And of course, the immigration process, it's not going to be on 1st of January, everyone moves. They give them 2 months of time. In 2 months of time, 99.9% of the accounts blow up, so they don't really need to immigrate anyone. And at the end of February, when they will have to, they're forced to immigrate, probably like a few accounts will remain, and they will just move them. I wish I own Apex. I wish I was the owner. I took the trades. I was like a beautiful short there. Oh, yeah, by the way, I have to remove that things. Sunrise losing money in the 1 second chart. There are no news to move that market. Zero. Quant Hour, yes, Quant Hour is it's like Ninja Trader, but for me, better. It's more clear, charting, indicators, copy trading is included. It's for free. This is the free version of Quant Hour. It has copy trading included. Another things, Quant Hour, you can connect it to Rithmic only, yeah. So if you want to use Quant Hour, I believe it's only Rithmic. I'm not sure if you can connect to other things. Let me see. Let me see, guys. I can tell you right now. You can connect it to Alpha, MP Futures, Binance, FX, like a few prop firms there. You can connect them. Kraken, again, Lucid Trading. So you can connect it to Rithmic of Lucid prop firm. Tradesway, but yeah, quite a bunch of prop firms there, including including Apex and everything. So yeah, a few prop firms there. Trade Pro Futures, Tradesway. Oh god, there are so many that I didn't know they exist. There are so many that I didn't know they exist. How long there if it happens? 25,200. Which chart? 1 minute? 3 minutes? Wow. Here lower. Oh, you're speaking about this here, like this one here, 200. Yes, like somewhere here you have a fair value gap. What tracker is a profit now? They give up on crypto? No. I mean, Quant Hour is a trading software. So whatever you connect to it, that can be API of Kraken, API of Binance, API of anything. Then you can trade it. It's depending what agreement they have. Opening range. I was trading opening range break a long time ago, to be honest. I made money. Last year, I made $24,000 of payout. You can see it here below. By just taking the breakout of the 15 minutes. It's crazy. Then it stopped working. I had to change. Trailing drawdown. Man, risk management. I always say it. People think trailing drawdown, it's a problem. But when you have risk management, it's not a problem at all. Because let's say you top step, you have $2,000. Apex, you have $2,500. This $500 cover your trailing drawdown. Why? Because if your position goes up $500, come back to zero, you have lost $500, you still have $2,000. If you start to have positions that go up $1,000 and go to zero, then there is a problem of risk management, because you're making $1,000 on a $2,000 account, you're doubling your account and not taking the profit. That means you're oversized or you're totally trying to YOLO the account. That's your risk management point. SMIA, yes, you can trade with prop firms today. I believe any prop firms. Apex, you can trade. I can take a trade right now with Apex. Market is open until 1 p.m. Eastern. But I wouldn't trade. You just skip the day. Tomorrow come back and market is open until 1:15 p.m. tomorrow, but at least the volatility will be there tomorrow because the stock market is open. I still lost 100. Yeah, but you still lost 100, but you still have $1,400 of drawdown from that top, right? That means you still have $2,400. Same if you start the next day with that things amount in top step or whatever, you have $2,000 of drawdown. You still have $400 more. And the drawdown won't move until you make above the peak balance. So if you have $2,400 to to bring this drawdown moving, you have to make the $100 more that you were missing to the peak balance and more before it starts moving. Stock market open is open tomorrow. I think it's closed today. It's open tomorrow. Let me see. I don't want to tell you bullshit things, so I'm gonna check as well personally. I believe it's closed today. No, you're right. It's open. What the heck? No, that is gold. I checked in gold. No, it's closed. Stock market is closed. Have you tried static account? I have not tried personally a static account. There is a guy in YouTube that loves static account because he said that are the best things. Nothing moves. Always the same stop loss. Always at the bottom. I never personally used it. I believe the best accounts are 25, 50K, and 150K when you want to push a little bit more. That's all. But yes, because the future market is separate. So future market, you can trade NQ today, ES, gold. You can trade the future market today. It's not volatile because the stock market is closed, right? So that's why the volatility is zero. It's very low, just because we don't have our stock market open. Good morning, traffics. Yay! Jose, I saw your message right now. Jose, welcome back, Jose. Happy Thanksgiving. You're from USA. Happy Thanksgiving to anyone that is from USA, guys. Welcome. And subscribe, guys. It's a small channel here, but I don't hide anything. Everything is clear. I don't know. There are, if you notice, most of people online that faking your profit, they don't show you the number of PA. They tell you I made $6,000. Which funded account? Did you the one that you blew up yesterday, or the one that which funded account? Maybe they have 10 funded accounts. The 5 are green, 5 are red. They show you the 5, and they'll tell you today I made money. Remember, guys, 90% or more of traders lose money. So if someone does not show you everything like I do, something is hidden there. I just to tell you from my clear point of view. So don't trust people online. Yeah, today is holiday. I can tell you, I published it yesterday in Discord. Where is it? Market closes today at 1 p.m. Eastern, guys, and reopens at 6 p.m. Jose is there. Yeah. Today closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. Tomorrow closes at 1:15, but tomorrow volatility should be fine because the stock market will be open. For what I believe it will be open. It should be. And if you're thinking to get Apex, guys, 80% is there, and $40 lifetime fee, and $10 lifetime fee for the 100K account. It's not a sites account that I usually advise for but promotion is there. But always the best accounts is 25, 50K, and if you want to have bigger drawdown, 150K. That's the only accounts. Yeah, there is no reason to trade today. Oh yeah, I punched my microphone. The only things I will take with small size, like risking $50, if this thing comes back here and closes above. It comes, grabs some more lows, like this one here. Then I will be like, okay, let me grab this long. If or not, I will just leave it there. Yes, it's today we have so many people just because the best streamers on US, they don't stream today. So that's the funny day. And as well today, what time today? It's 12 a.m. from me, guys. 12 a.m. in here in Paraguay. In Paraguay, guys, for maybe another week and a half, and then I'm leaving to Brazil. So I'm gonna live stream from Brazil in January at the beach. No, I'm not gonna live stream from the beach. It would be amazing to stream from the beach. Maybe I will be more profitable than Paraguay here. It's you, the best streamer, Hamza. I appreciate you. In Louisiana, 9. Ah, man. So you start trading at I love that. You wake up early. It forces you to wake up early. You start. You have a nice coffee. Bam, 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 and you start trading. Yes, it can be a bit negative on the fact that if you have an emotional day, you have it for a long day. But if you are disciplined, by 10 a.m. you're done. 9 a.m. you're done. That's amazing. 9 and a half, 10 a.m. you're done, and you have the day for you. I think the best thing is that one, to trade the New York session. Yeah. Don't sides down. I can tell you guys, the best traders in Apex Trader Fund are the ones that trade small and grow small their account and keep requesting payouts. They don't blow up accounts. Their account's still alive and keep requesting payouts. That's how they do it. Workout and trade at 8:30. 7 a.m. workout and man, that's 7 a.m. is the way to do it. I'm reading right now a book, and it even tell you to wake up at 4 a.m. It's a bit hard for me to wake up at 4. It's already hard. I wake up at 6 a.m. to work, so for me it's already difficult sometimes to get used to it. 4 p.m. in Europe. Yeah. I will still. It's still better than 300K when they promote the 300K. 100K is good. It's still okay. You have losing 3K to make 6K. If not, I will stick with the 50K. 50K is the one. You stick with it. You have $2,500 of drawdown, $3,000 of profit target, and yeah. I think the good side, guys, of this world of prop firms, competition is there. Look at this Top Step. Top Step right now created a new product. It's not a new product. It's already existing in other prop firms. They provided this product of evaluation with no activation fee. Of course, it's many people they scream, "Oh my God, no activation fee, no activation fee! It's crazy." But why they do that is because most of the people don't pass the evaluation. So if you are someone trading and takes the evaluation and does not pass, paying more money because you don't want the activation fee, bam, it's the same as people that are greedy. They think they're a profitable trader and they get to pay out and they're like, I want my cushion more. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass easily this account. So it's better if I pay $80 so I don't pay the activation fee. But this is how they mentally play you. They force you to pay a bit more the evaluation. Not many people pass an evaluation anyway. They make their money anyway. For me, it's just better if you pay less for the evaluation, you're sure to pass at least, and then for the accounts you pass, you pay the activation fee. So even in this case, I will tell you, get the 50K, be sure to pass and get your funded account. In CT, it's good. It's wake up by 7 a.m., get a great meditation and get my money check. Trade from 8:30 and down for yeah, man. I love trading the first hour, 1 hour and a half of New York session. For me, you have volatility. If you're a good disciplined trader, you are making money, you do 1 hour and a half, close it, don't look at the screen, enjoy your life. That's I think what most of the people do the mistake is we stay too much in the chart. We stay too much in the chart. We live to trade instead of we trade to live. It's really a different aspect. If you've been trading for years, you know what you have to do. You know the chart, you know the candles, you know everything. You spend 10,000 of hours. Why you need to still continue spending 10 hours a day on the market? Do you 1 hour and a half, 2 hours of trading, 1 hour of trading, and get the hell out of there, man. There is no need to push yourself. Yeah, no, what the heck? Yeah, William, it's anything that works for you. This is a general advice. For me, like first hour of the day, the best. For you, it can be the second or third hour. For me, the most important, for my personal opinion, there are rules that are max losing P&L of the day, max number of trades. And I believe a good rule is as well max timing in the chart. Because more time in the chart doesn't mean you're good, you're doing better. But that's my personal opinion. And especially Nasdaq. Why did I choose futures and especially Nasdaq? I don't freaking know. I chose Nasdaq at the time. It just when I chose it was my friend. I was trading ES before. NQ is more volatile, and my previous mentor here, Jose, he was like, "Ansa, I have a strategy, a 15 minutes break. You do this, you take 15 points, you take 10 points, 15 points stop loss, and that's it. You keep it repeating it." And that's how I made $20,000 of payout last year by following a stupid strategy. That's here below. How much is it last year? $22,000 of payout last year, and I spent $3,600. So I made $19,000 of profit last year. I'm $1,000 in profit this year, but I was, that is the funny thing. Is at the end of last year, when I was like, I became finally profitable. I was like, oh, this year I'm gonna go to 100K. I'm gonna buy more funded accounts, and I'm gonna do this and this and this. And then the strategy stopped working, and I had to change all myself. And that's why I'm still working on new strategy and new way of trading. Plenty of liquid. No, pay is good. It's fun. Yeah, I mean, US 30 is another monster. US 30 is a freaking monster. Forex, I never traded Forex. For me, less things you have to see in the chart, better it is. So if I trade only Nasdaq and gold, sometimes it's enough. More things, it's just more complications. For my point, how long have you been trading? 5 years almost now. 5 years. 3 years negative. 4 years I was up 19K. This year a break even. I'm trading PE accounts for the first time, cleared 2 evaluation after blowing 5 evaluation in 3 months. And you should just know how to approach PE for the first time across platforms. Have rules, have risk management rules. And something I always repeat is don't expect that you're gonna be rich, right? But don't expect to have made it when you get to funded account, because funded account gets you the psychology aspect of trading, right? Now you have the psychology aspect that if you make money, you're gonna withdraw. If you lose money, you pay more activation fee. But the thing is, have risk management, respect your rules. Risk management based on your risk reward, win rate and everything. Don't lose too much on a day. Keep your account alive. Don't pay activation fees over. Look at. I give you an example. I'm in a period where my strategy does not work, and I moved to a different mentorship. I'm learning a lot. But look what I'm doing right now. These accounts below survived 100 days. Did I make money from them? No. Did I pay other activation fee to keep learning? No. I lose $300, $400, $500 on a day. I make some money as well back, and my account keeps there. My fees, my expenses are always low, but I keep trading. And that's what many people do, is blow up accounts, try again, blow up accounts, try again, blow up. No, calm down. Risk low until you have the consistency of saying I'm profitable. So as you're from Morocco, you also speak French, not rich, but at least free from 9 to 5. Not. I work. I have a full-time job. I full remote. I work remotely, guys. I wish I could tell you I'm a full-time. No, I am not. I am, guys. I am like 99.5% or 99.8% of the traders. The people that you see online only trading, it's 0.5%. Most of them as well, they make more money from affiliate and YouTube and stuff like that than trading. It's the reality. I can tell you that. Most of the people you see online make more money from selling course, make affiliate than trading. So don't get caught by this. Especially don't get caught by people hiding you stuff. Like someone is hiding you the number of PA he has, the balance he has, like here below. Something is, I swear to you, I saw people as well in my Discord. They come and they were like, I made money today. I made money today. I made money today. I made money today. And I was like, and I was praising them. And I'm someone that praise people. I'm very happy. I'm not gonna be sad if you make money. Especially people in my Discord and everything, we help each other. And I was like, yo man, you're doing amazing. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. And then I found out later on, he was never showing the same account. He was showing only the account he was green, and that's it. That's the crazy things. So many people hide stuff there. Man, son, $83 on a day like this, you've done amazing, to be honest. I'm from Morocco, but I'm living in Montreal, Canada. Yo, I believe there are many Moroccans in Canada, right? ICT Mastery. Welcome to the channel, man. I appreciate you for coming. Guys, remember, subscribe, so you can come back tomorrow to the live stream. Tomorrow we trade and you're gonna see me blow up the accounts. I'm not far from blowing them up, unfortunately. I'm $600, I believe, $700 from blowing them, but who knows? Last week I was $100 from blowing them up. I went up $2,000 and now I'm back. My Discord link is in the description, but let me share it with you guys. Let me share it with you. Let me find it. Where is it? Does it even work? Maybe it does not even work. And then I'm like, oh, that would be sad if it does not work. I'm getting the link. Where is the link? Here. That is the link for Discord. Hello, KK Janok. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, I came lower, grab these lows here right now, and it's pushing, you know. This was another possible longs here. I mean, if you're in this long, to be honest, the profit target can be back to the highs of the New York session that is here. But yeah, not much to do, to be honest. Arab origins, Moroccan origins, yes. Moroccans, but I live in Paraguay now. I speak Italian, I speak a bit of French. Bro, you have an Instagram channel. I want to ask you some question about tax in Paraguay. And what is the program? I'm going to put a video soon about taxation. I'm going to meet a guy today, have an interview with him. And it's going to be my next video in this YouTube channel is about taxation and living in Paraguay. So guys, there are many Canadians as well here in Paraguay, many Germans. Many Europeans, they come to Paraguay and they want to live. I don't speak Arabic. Before you start to speak Arabic, but I speak Berber Shliha. The fact of many people coming here is that you have really 0% taxes if you want for jobs or entrepreneur and incomes coming outside the Paraguay. So, for example, for me, I work remotely. I have my residence in Paraguay. I have everything settled in Paraguay. The funniest things of Paraguay is that allows you to have your tax residence here without forcing you to live and spend even one day here in Paraguay. So what means I can be here tax residency, everything legal, and pay 0% tax, but at the same time travel in Bali, travel here, travel in Brazil, travel in this place, all legal. Yeah, you should come to Asuncion. Asuncion is nice. It's getting better and better. There is life. Amazigh, Smiha. Yeah, guys, welcome, guys. Remember to leave a subscribe there. We are a little bit more. By the way, how come you don't trade your top 4 accounts? I'm just waiting until I find consistency, brother. Just you see me up and down. Already these 16 accounts are up and down too much. So I'm waiting just to have that consistency to be like, okay, did I get payout? Okay, let me put them as well inside. So if not, for the moment, I convert them because there were $40 lifetime fee. I was like, I cannot lose. You saw me never converting accounts, but because it's $40, I was like, you know what? Let me pay the $40. It's very cheap. I don't know if it will go back to $85 or $100. So that's why. Yeah, Romania is great. Romania is one of the good country in Europe with low taxation. And honestly, it's a very great country as well to live, for what many people told me. Budapest, right? Budapest is the capital of Romania. You're not for tax? I thought it was for taxes. Was low taxes? I thought it was low taxes. What? Was it not Romania? Maybe Bulgaria? That Budapest is Hungary. Then Hungary. Then did I confuse everything about Romania? Bucharest. 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 Bulgaria. Man, I'm sorry. Did not did not insult you. Bucharest is in Romania. Sofia in Bulgaria. Soon I was gonna start a war between us. This that's the technique. Technique to save money from taxation. Guys, remember to subscribe. We are back tomorrow, live streaming as normal at 9:30 Eastern time. What do you think, bro? What is the best, Portugal or Portugal or Paraguay? Totally two different places. So Portugal, you will have definitely different type of lifestyle. Portugal, you will have the beach life, the more safety life, a little bit more infrastructure. So if you're thinking about family-wise, maybe Alfonso is from Portugal. He will give you better advice. I mean, definitely you will have a good life in Portugal. If you have a good income, low in tax in Portugal, that's a great place to live. Good weather, not expensive compared to Europe. But Paraguay is the place, I believe, good. I'm gonna say for me it's perfect because it does not force me to be here, and I want to be free for the next 2-3 years. I'm single, not married, until my mom force me. Until my mom does not force me to marry, I should be fine. Did you take the long? I did not take the long, brother. Yeah, no need to risk. Not risk situation for me. That was the possible long idea. But even with this long idea, guys, $18 with one micro. How old am I? 32, guys. I'm 32. If it was 10 years ago, I would have already been married. But now my family gave up. There is my brother here, he's 38, and he's not married, so I'm in chill. You have a Canadian nationality. I mean, for my point, the best things to do, ICT, is take a flight, come to Asunción, check it out, because it's a strange city on a way that it's safe. I like it. Amazing food in Paraguay, guys, and any type of food. I had amazing food here. Safe, you can have the calmness, but at the same time, you can have as well the peak of the city vibes a little bit. It's growing a lot fast, so it's getting more international. For me, it did make sense to make the residency now that it's still simple and easy to apply and get it, before maybe in 2-3 years everything changes. So I was like, you know what, let me get it. I believe it's not considered hedging, but I will tell you to create a ticket for it. I believe it's not considered hedging. Gold and NQ. I believe there are two different instruments, different category. Yeah, I believe they are used as different. My advice, just because I'm not in the payout people category and department, I will tell you create a ticket and people will get you the answer that you know, just to be sure. So you don't come to me in 1 month and then you're like, I believe it's not, but better check. Yeah, there are different instruments. I'm gonna tell you like 95% they're not considered the same things. But just to remove a problem between me and you, and something that you come later and you give me the fault, I'll tell you just create a ticket. Takes you like 1 minute. Hey, is trading long and short gold in the funded account considered hedging? Take you 1 minute. I will reply to you by tomorrow because there is a holiday now, and you will get the confirmation. Yeah, I will tell you that ICT, I think it is the way to do it. And the good side is you come to Asunción, then you take a cheap flight, you go to Brazil, you know, you go to Argentina if you want. I know Argentina, no, it's too expensive now. Yeah, traffic's good. Have a good one. Yeah, don't blow up your accounts, traffics. No, seems like no trade today, so I'm gonna go and some back test. Yeah, man. See you, Bogdan. Problem. Let's. Well, how many people we are right now? Maybe 23 people, or maybe 18 people. Guys, Oh, wait, guys, where are you going? Don't go anywhere. Let's have a fun. Let's have a duck race, Bogdan. Bogdan, are you still there? Bogdan told me I cannot do a freaking. Maybe he left. Would be nice to do a duck race, but Bogdan is always asking me to do it. Bogdan, are you there? You left? Bogdan left. And I was ready to do a duck race, but he asked, let's do it tomorrow. Tomorrow we do a duck race. A duck race, it's yeah. Tomorrow we do a duck race, guys. Tomorrow come to the live stream, we do duck race. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a fun duck race, and who wins is gonna win money to pay for an evaluation with Epix, or use the money you want as you like. It's my own personal money giving away. Someone use them to go to McDonald's, other people to buy evaluations. Just read about the One Direction rule. So no hedging, but still not allowed. I would, from my advice, if you have some doubts, just create a ticket. That's the best things to do. So you can, if someone tells you something that is coming directly from a source, let's say it's Apex, it's TopStep, it's Tradify, it's Money Funded Future, any platforms. You have a ticket that tells you, for example, gold is allowed to be traded in the opposite direction of NQ, and then next payout is not approved. You can tell them, look, I trade it because one of your people told me this. Then you have a reason to complain, But if you don't do that, and they don't tell you that, you can always refuse it if it's in the rule. My advice is just create a ticket. That's the best way. Apex will reply you soon with the best information and will help you on that. Let's do tomorrow giveaway, guys. We do a deck race tomorrow, and we're gonna have fun. We're gonna do a nice giveaway, probably 2 giveaways. Let's do duck races tomorrow. I think it's time to leave for me. It's 10:20. Free market is not moving. If you're thinking to buy Apex Trader Funding account, my code is Hamza. You support the channel. It's a small channel, guys. For the rest, have a beautiful day. There is nothing to do for us. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your chill day. Don't trade. For my advice is just don't trade. It's not worth it. And yeah, save your mental capital. That's most important things. Have a beautiful time, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace and love. Peace and love from Paraguay.